Alright, so it's New Year's Eve. When you see this video, Happy New Year's. Hope you have a wonderful new year, 2023. I'm excited. Well, in this video I'm going to try out that Skyflame to see how long it'll last with one bag of 8-pound B&B Charcoal Briquettes. I want to see if it does live up to what people are leaving on the comments on Amazon, that you can get low and slow cooking on there, 12+ hours. So I'm going to test it out and see if it really does live up, see if it is worth it to purchase. This is going to be round 3 of the testing of the Skyflame. So stick around and see how it performs. Alright, I put on a brisket flat, prime 1. So that's going to be my cook for this on the Skyflame. See how long the cook's going to last. I did put a mesquite woodchuck on there also. So let's get the time. It is 7:31, 7:32. So we're going to let it roll, and we'll see how long it lasts. I'll bring you back when it's ready to show the next time. Yeah, 4 hours have passed. It's 11:30 in the morning, 11:31, and I gotta say, it's been going pretty good. Let me check. So right now it's reading at 250, so that's awesome. And it's been holding pretty good temps. It dropped down to about 239, and then it would go up and stay around 246, 248. and stay there for quite a while. I mean, it's been going on for 4 hours, and then it barely hit right now 250. So that's pretty good so far, 4 hours in. But I want to take a look and see what that flat looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. That's looking nice. All right, so close it up, and then gonna let it continue ride and see how long that 8 pounds of charcoal lasts in that Skyflame. Temps have been pretty good, steady. You see it, 250. It's been from 248 to 250, so it's been pretty good, and we're on, let's check it. It's 132, so we're on 8 hours so far. I have not yet applied any more briquettes, so it's pretty good. So I'm gonna check. Oh yeah, looking good. I'm gonna check though, internal temp, 54, 55, 56, 7. So yeah, obviously it needs more time. Yeah, looking pretty good. And it's gotten sunny out here. It was a little chilly this morning. The sun's come out. So I'm gonna continue on. And I've been wanting to keep the temp of the kettle around 250, so it's been pretty good in the 240s and 250. So I like that. It's holding on good for 8 hours. So continue on. It has been 10 hours, sitting at 253. That's pretty good. And I did wrap that point, as you can see. So let's check. 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, and I tell you, it's going in like butter. So I'm gonna take this off and let it rest, and then I'm gonna eat it. But so far, yeah, the Skyflame, look at it. It's held up after 10 hours. So that's pretty good. Pretty good. Sitting at 253 right there. So I'm digging it after 10 hours, I'm sorry. Once I get that flat off, I'm gonna remove the cooking grate and the diffuser, and then we'll see what the briquettes look like. Let's see what the briquettes look like. Let's get this one off. All right, you ready? Damn, not bad at all, huh? Not bad at all. Look at that. Just got this side right here. The majority of it's gone, and this is after 10 hours. And you still got this side, which you still see, it's lit up. So that's pretty good after 10 hours. Yeah. What do y'all think? Pretty good, huh? All right. After 10 hours. So I'm gonna put the plate back on, cooking grate back on, and then we'll keep going. It's nighttime now. You got the neighborhood popping fireworks. Ringing in the new year, 2022. Gotta say goodbye. There's the moon. But let's see. It is 10:33, December 31st on a Saturday. So Let's check. We're sitting at 241 temp of the Weber, so that's pretty good. So what, 15 hours? Yeah, so let's check it. I'm gonna see what. Gonna remove everything. Let me get some gloves on real quick. Alright, well, there it is after 15 hours. Yeah, that's pretty good, don't you think? Still got a long way to go. So, you know, that B&B Charcoal Briquettes, they got something to do with it to last this long. And then the Skyflame Charcoal Chamber 2, well, the ring, the way it's designed, it's pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Like I said, it's, let's see real quick. $10.35. Yeah, so 15 hours, that's pretty good. I'm gonna let it roll. Yeah, so probably by the time I bring you back, it'll be January 1st, 2023. So I'll see you next year.
Oh God!
That's awesome, right? Happy New Year's, everyone. Well, temp has dropped down to 223, 221. So I kind of stepped away from it for a bit because, you know, 12 o'clock hit and celebrating. So I wonder if it's the briquettes are, you know, going out. So I'll check it. No, they don't. Still there, but slowly going away. So, yeah. You know, but it's still got some time. Still got some time. You can see it now. It's 1:06. Sunday, January 1st. So it lasted pretty long, you know, but it can go even more, you can see. But I'm gonna call it a night. But just from this right here showing, yeah, if you wanted to, it could last a lot longer. You could be cooking longer out here if you wanted to. I say another good, what, 2 hours maybe, 2, 3. It's been burning for what, 17 and a half hours already, so that's pretty damn good right there, you know. 17 and a half hours, can't beat that. So You know, throughout the whole process, I try to keep it around 250, which it managed pretty well, close to that. Didn't have any issues with it getting high at all. If it did spike, it was because, you know, I checked the food, and obviously, you know, oxygen gets in there. It's going to make your briquettes or even your wood, you know, jump up, spike up, and it did that. But then adjusting the vents fixed that. But other than that, it would go back to where I wanted it at. And as you can see, still going after all this time. So 17 and a half hours, that's pretty good. So I'm calling it on that and say that, yeah, the Skyflame right here, it's legit. It'll get you that long lasting cooks. And, you know, depending too on what briquettes you use, or if you use lump, you know, that plays a factor in it. These B&B briquettes, they work well for getting long cooks. So, you know, we'll see how it goes well with the Kingsford, but or any other brand. Right here, B&B did the job right here. So that does it. So if you're looking for something that'll get you going, long cooks, you know, you can have a lot of cooking surface up top. Yeah, this might be something that you might consider. Got it off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out. But Happy New Year's 2023. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great year, and smoke on, everyone.